What is n8n? So you have to know what is n8n. n8n is an open source low code platform empowering both non-coders and developers, right? So you can unlock the workflow efficiency with n8n is a open source workflow automation tool. n8n visually connects different apps and services using a node-based editor, low-code platform enabling automation without complex programming, flexible visual builder to design and customize workflow. And you can connect, maximum connectivity is there with the Google Sheets, AI models, and it supports both self-hosting and cloud services. And we will discuss about the self-hosting here. Based on your deployment can be based on infrastructure preferences. Deployment flexibility is there. So now we will just see about the self-hosting kind in n8n. Welcome to this video. As I have already said that n8n is a self-hosted automation tool. So automation app or anything like that. So people will have some doubt, what is self-hosting, right? Self-hosting is nothing but maintaining an app or a website or any services in your control, not going with a third-party provider. Having a private network, private server and hosting on that and maintaining on your own and not depending on any third-party app developers or anything like that. So n8n has an advantage of self-hosting, and the thing is it can be self-hosted in n8n itself, but it is very costly. That annually, monthly they will charge around 24 euros, and 1 euro comes around 100 rupees in Indian money. So you can just calculate like 24 euros. You can calculate as 24 euro to INR. It comes around 2,500 rupees per month. So it is not affordable for most of the Indians, and even though it is affordable for certain people, you can restrict only around 2,500 workflow executions, and only you can share only single projects, and that this is not easy and this is not convenient for us. So what can we do? There are n number of VPS providers in the market, but I will prefer to go with Hostinger. The Hostinger has a VPS, and the charges for that VPS is very low. That is 400 rupees per month. You can buy a monthly plan or else you can buy a yearly plan. And the most important thing is you can go for unlimited workflows. This is only 2,500 workflows, and you can go for unlimited workflows. You can choose any plan in that, and if you go for this Hostinger plans, it will be cheap and it is affordable, and you can execute unlimited workflows. So go for Hostinger thing. And how we have to go is just log in and go for KVM VPS, right? And just go over there. It opens, and after it's getting opened, it will ask for the server. Next, in OS, just type n8n. That's it. Select it and you give a password. That's it. It will get access to the email of this n8n server, will get connected over there. It's a very easy process. I have given the link in the description of Hostinger. You can go over there and you can purchase and you can use it and you can see how it works. And before that, you can go for a free credits they will give. But I will recommend to go with Hostinger. It is cheap and affordable, and if you want to work, you don't want to become an employee, you can become a CEO of a SaaS thing by going with n8n. So just go for it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. In this video we are going to see about onboarding system automation. As the word says, that what is onboarding system automation? A form will be there. Either it can be a type form or else it's a normal n8n form, any kind of contact 7 form, any form will be there. If you give the details of your name, email ID or any other details, that is considered as a leads according to the digital marketers. So these leads or these credentials, what it has been sent to these forms, will go to an AI agent and an email will be sent to this lead what it has been given with a message, right? And simultaneously in the same way, the leads, that is the credentials what it has been given in the on form submission, will send to this AI agent 1 and again to OpenAI 1 and then to Google Sheets, right, to make it as a, what do you say, that a digital data in Google Sheets, and a welcome form for email or welcome email or any other email, it will be sent in fast manner. So now we are going to see about how this form is done. So onboarding system automation is done. The first thing, just go to open notes panel and just type this n8n form. We will just do it in n8 form. So make this form over here and then click the form. So this form acts as a triggering agent, and test URL, it is already there. You don't need to give any authentication and just give a title as onboarding system. And the in form description, you can add as please fulfill all of the fields, and we are adding the elements as 3 elements. We are adding around 4 elements. That is, first one is name, right? So placeholder, you just write any name over there. The second one is email, infill name. The third one is industry, what kind of industry, whether it is logistics, finance, anything like that. In placeholder you can present. And the fourth one is what do you want to achieve with us in 5 months. So its fourth one is goal, and or make it as a required field, right? And then add as an option after the form is submitted, append to n8n attribution. That will be fine, and don't make it as a required, make it as not required, but append it in n8n attribution, right? It's done. So after finishing, this on form submission is done, and after that we have to send a message, right? We have to send a message to the credentials. What are all the credentials what is given in the on form submission? So go to an AI agent, and by the way, where to get the AI agent? Again go to the notes and get AI agent, right? And after that we have to send a message to the email, right? So I am just giving source of the prompt is defined below. The prompt I'll just give it below in here, but I'll just read it now for you. Can you generate a warm and professional welcome email for a new client based on the information provided? The message should be friendly. I'm just giving the prompt: name, email ID, company, industry, goals. Make sure always end the email with the following sign of best regards, any name of your choice. I'll just make my name, right? That will be fine. Okay, and then it's go back to AI agent, right? And now I'm just placing a chat model for this, because that messages should go. So OpenAI account 4 and GPT-4o is the model I have selected, right? Then the next thing, the same will happen here, but the prompt here will be different one. I'll just give you the prompt first. So we will finish off this end node side, and then we will finish off this node side. So after that, OpenAI account is created, same API is set over there, and GPT-4.0 is taken from the list output, and everything is done. So it's finished. So on form submission, AI agent OpenAI is done. So after this, again go to the nodes, go for Gmail, right? And here in Gmail, you can create a new credentials by giving the API of your account, and messages, send, what message should be given, and the operation should be sent, right? And this one, how we are just going to do is, we are just going to execute the steps. So I am going back, right? So we haven't given any email address, that is the reason. So again, save, and now back to canvas. And the next one, what I am going to do is, this node I have already explained, right? And now AI agent, the next AI agent, use the client details below to give a summary of a profile, name, company name, industry, and summary is client based information above, right? So this summary will just give you a good detailed OpenAI summary, right? And OpenAI chat model, again I am going with GPT-4o model, right? OpenAI and Google Sheets. I am executing this one. I am giving a name called, right, Visagan, right? And I am sending your email, generative AI simplified at gmail.com. Industry is automation, that's fine. 5x in revenue. I am submitting the form, right? It started running, and now the mail has been sent, and then Google Sheets has also been sent. And after this AI agent, it's same OpenAI model. I am giving it for message or model. OpenAI account 6, pass the JSON query in 3 fields. What are all the 3 fields? I am just giving the output prompt. This output prompt, I am just copying it, I am dragging it and dragging it over here, right? So that's fine. After this, just create a Google Sheets of what the Gmail ID what you have created, and connect the Google Sheets with client ID, right? So this is done, and now we have submitted a form called Visagan, and in Google Sheets it has been already created, right? And if you check the email ID also, the mail would have been sent. I'll just show you. See this? Dear Visagan, I am excited to collaborate with you. Why it's showing collaborate? In AI agent we have given that as a prompt. So that's it. It's an onboarding system automation with the simple things. Just add an API in OpenAI chat model, OpenAI chat models, and OpenAI AI agents. And Gmail also create the Google credentials and place it over here. Very easy but very powerful thing. Whoever submits the form, it comes, and this is how we will see all the n8n automations. Most interesting n8n automations over here. So again, thank you for watching this video. Bye.